My dad brought home an Apple II when I was 5, and yeah, it was just transformational to really see that you could build something and display it on a screen and that it could be interactive, which now sounds kind of quaint, but the idea of an interactive experience that takes place digitally was really just an eye-opener for me, and so we used to get these books that, you could learn to write programming, and we would write these silly little programs to sort of, between brothers, kind of make fun of each other or whatever it might be, but it really led me to have a really internal, deep kind of passion for screens and for interaction. So that was really my first experience with computing, and we had that throughout my entire childhood. And then when I was just graduated from high school, I was really lucky to be involved in a summer program where the small town that I was living in, our high school vice principal was bringing the internet to that small town and had received a grant to hire some summer students for it. So I took part in that, and I thought, wow, this is really where it's at. Contrasted with mechanical engineering, which I had just started, you have to tool up. You have to have a lot of money and a lot of resources to be able to build anything. And for me, I guess at that point, having been snowboarding and skateboarding, I sort of wanted that freedom and saw, wow, with the web, one person or a small team can independently build something and they can release it globally just with the press of a button. And it was just absolutely fascinating for me, and I realized that's what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. So I finished mechanical engineering, but this has been my career ever since 1996.